Welcome to another morning broadcast. We are well into June, approaching the last few trading weeks, and interesting developments this month. Yesterday, the U.S. declared a ceasefire for Iran and Israel. So the markets have spiked up. Oil has spiked down, and it's going to be interesting to see how things play out today. All right. So if this is your first time, we primarily focus on this call momentum strategies, where we are looking for stocks that are in play, that have unusual volume, that have a catalyst, and we are looking to scalp out on the lower time frame some of the move, and we catch multiple legs sometimes, and we are not looking to trade choppy, rangy price action. So our focus is to scan the market, look for the stocks that are giving us our particular setups that we are good at. So you may see us switching from one stock to another. If that's new to you, that's how we stay alive, and that's how we stay active every day. So please drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you for joining, and please smash that like button if you enjoy. Okay, all right. So let's get right to it. Let's talk big picture real quick. We had a few names that I traded on this morning. Let me see, make sure we got something else brewing. It's recovering here. ONMD. So I traded this breakout here. I was looking at it as it was trying to reclaim VWAP here for another move higher. This is just traders trading against each other. The volume was rising here, and now it's rising again. So we may have another leg higher on ONMD. And another one was INM, sorry. So INM, this one also popped, pulled back below VWAP. I didn't catch this move here, but volume was spiking. It rose through this level here. It pulled up. I ended up in drawdown a little bit because I didn't close here, but it held, and then I added here for a good trade. So those are the two. There's another ticker that I wasn't able to take advantage of this morning, but it gave some plays as well, and we'll get to that one. So let's zoom back out real quick, talk about the big picture. So big picture, we've been looking for we've been closely monitoring the situation in the Middle East, and I think that after the U.S. got involved with the strike, it's probably that situation is likely to fade, and we get back to domestic issues like tariffs and trade negotiations. So with that ceasefire, the market spikes up, and it has broken above several days highs. So it's at the high of the range right now. So we'll see if we're going to continue higher or if we are going to have a pullback. So it's the same across all of the indices. This one broke out here. So if you look at the NVIDIAs of the world, we had a spike on those and some of the other major names. So that being said, let's talk about different sectors. So we were looking at energy for a while. For now, it's out for me. You see the ETF sold off yesterday when Trump literally tweeted, "Don't don't let the price of oil go up. Keep the price of oil down." So I mean, it's just it's incredible to me just what's going on. And after that, we saw the energy names. We saw oil drop. So yeah. So for now, I have a screen with oil and others on one of my monitors, but that idea is out. So I'm looking at AI, looking at tech, the quantum names we traded yesterday. We had a dip on QUBT on volume spike here. So we entered the move back up, and we had a good trade there. Then it dipped and then it ended up rising throughout the day. So looking to see how we open up today, and if quantum continues. I'm looking at a few other smaller cap AI names as well. So that basket will be in play for us. All right. Okay. Yesterday, a name that took off was IBO, Impact Biomedical. This one, several members in our community traded. I tried to trade on Lightspeed, and I had to hit the broker in the middle of our call, like, "Hey, I can't enter," because it took off, and I entered. I missed a good move. So they were just saying that at Lightspeed, they use Wedbush and it couldn't clear, so it's blocked for all traders. So this one is held up. So we may have another leg on this one. So I keep it on watch from yesterday's move. All right. So quantum. Let me check the comments real quick. Make sure I can see you all. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Nice one. The consistency is crazy. Good morning. Salute. Good morning. How can we trade the pre-market? That was funny to watch. Yeah, it's a trip. It's a trip. It trips me out that it's allowed. It's like you can give these directives to the market with impunity. No, it doesn't have to answer to anybody on it. Yeah. So, all right. So we got the chat up. Okay. So we talked indices, we talked AI and quantum. I watched those names. There's different names that are all connected to that move, like the semiconductors. So SMCI. This one just popped down, but so tech was in play. If you looked at Nvidia, Tesla yesterday had they released the robo taxis here in Texas, and this one really ran yesterday. So either you traded Tesla if it's within your wheelhouse, or maybe one of the ETFs. So this one ran all day yesterday, and just a beautiful momentum setup on Tesla, strong run, and then that one is held up pretty well. So that one is definitely still a name that I'd be keeping a watch on. Okay, all right. So let me just cover CRMD. This was one that they raised their revenue guidance, and I thought we were gonna pull out. We kind of waited, and I entered into a trade here, and I ended up exiting. So just a small loss, like pretty much flat, basically flat. It didn't really do anything. That was one of the names from yesterday. I'll keep a watch. Sometimes you have these stocks that you have earnings, you have revenue guidance that's raised, and then it doesn't do anything. And then second day, it does something. So just keeping an eye on it, and we'll see what happens for this one. Another basket is the crypto names. So coin on this was last week. Yeah, last week broke out at a major move and then consolidated, and it broke out of that consolidation. So we may see some of the names like Mara, some of the others following. So I am looking at Mara now to see if we're right at resistance, if this move is going to continue. So it pushed up, pulled back, and then it's held up pretty well, especially with the ceasefire, right? So crypto risk on, like we're back on to the risk on name. So the crypto related equities we have a lot of run to a lot of room to run. So if you're looking at coin, that one broke out. And if you want to take a look at MAR, lower priced crypto related equity, then you may look at it like it's just ranging here. If we have the breakout, then there could be there's some room to run higher from 1450 to about 1480. Okay, so all right. Otherwise, I am if you're trading large caps, yeah, TSLL, yeah, definitely take a look at that. At potentially trading it. Tesla's holding up well. So otherwise, I'll be watching the scan. If you've been watching, what's going on with Circle, what's going on with CRWV, CoreWeave, then then you've been watching what's going on and potentially taking advantage of those. Okay. All right. So yeah. Otherwise, I'm looking at the scan. I'm watching to see what we get here as price hold as things pop up on the scan. We'll see what Quantum does. We'll see what some of the AI names do, and we'll be ready to trade. So if you want to trade with us, then check out check the link in the description and see if it's a right fit for you. So when we're on our live calls, typically we have things that are moving. We're throwing up ideas for each other, and we are we're waiting for the best names, the best trades. So this is the last one, I'm sorry, that I didn't mention. So NKTR, this one phase 2 results release. I was watching for the breakout, sort of like what we saw on ONMD. So ONMD, we had that consolidation, and then it popped here. It held for some time, and then it pushed. So NKTR, something similar. Here I was waiting on. I watched the pop there, and then it immediately dropped. So I still have it on watch, and we'll see if it recovers. If it does recover VWAP, that could be a sign that it's going to move higher. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it for me. Let me check the chat. What else are you all looking at? It's my ONMD entry. Good morning. How can we trade pre-market? Most brokers will allow you to trade pre-market. If you're trading in the sim, I don't think you can do that on TradingView nor Thinkorswim. So I have to see. I don't know if Dash Trader. So Dash Trader Pro, they offer a sim account with their platform, but I'm not sure if they allow you to trade pre-market. So if you're trading in sim, it may be a little bit different for you. So you may have to put some money in an account, and like with Thinkorswim, put like $500 in an account and do one share. If you're just trying to build your skill, if you're in a skill development phase. So EYN, we traded yesterday. And it's held up well. So yeah, so let's see what it does at near yesterday's high. What was the catalyst on this? Closes of 50 million private placement. Or more than one. Oh yeah. This is what it was, a crypto related announcement. Yeah, so let's see. This is the high of Wednesday and Monday here that it's approaching. Let's see what happens when it approaches the high there. I'm gonna throw it up on my screen. ACXP, all right, ACXP. Nothing for me there. Yeah, dead now. This is a life cycle. The stock will pop up on the scan, may give us a setup, and then interest flows into that stock because of a catalyst, some news announcement, and then the stock dies out. Do you have a minimum volume? Typically, I'm trying to find things that for small caps that are trading at least 500K volume. What you'll notice is if it's lower, then it's not worth it. Like right now, the volume is 44K, so not really interested. And that's one way, right? Volume is one indicator it's one indicator of interest. So if the volume is too low, it won't even be in play for me. All right, BBA, I could have another great day. Yeah, that's one of the ones that we were on the call and somebody called it out that move on BBAI. So yeah, I didn't discuss BBAI exactly, but the AI and quantum names, if you find like SoundHound AI, BBAI, some others, you can keep your eye on those. Okay. All right. Yesterday was truly insane. that was insane. It was, Mr. Lee. I personally only take longs. Sometimes the stock stops me out on VWAP and non-EMA and then pushes higher. How to counter that? It could be volume. It could be the tape. Definitely, if you increase your tape reading skills, it can help. Sometimes you will get stopped out, but if there's a pattern, if you continuously getting stopped out, and then it goes your way, then there's something there. It's likely that there's something there, and then you have to practice re-entering. That's just a skill itself. Re-entering after getting stopped is a skill itself that we all have to develop. So yeah, study all those losses and see if there's a pattern. If you aren't using volume, that's one step to bring into your equation. And then the next one is to do a volume and price analysis first, and then see if you can find anything after that. Then it's tape reading. Level 2, maybe there's something there that you'd be able to see if you're looking at the box. All right. Yeah, this is pure comedy, almost. I mean, not the attacks or war. I'm just talking about just the statements like, hey, I think it's a good time to buy DJT, and then he changes the policy, and the market shoots up. Hey, keep oil down. It's like, what? The common person is just seeing it and they're not understanding what's happening. All right. So yeah, thank you all. We're going to go ahead and close this part out, and we will, how do I learn to read the tape? I'll do some videos on it, but I'll try to drop some resources for you. Just send me an email, support@profitxtrading.com, and maybe I can send some public resources to you. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, everybody. Let's get ready for the open. Again, we don't have to take a lot of trades, or we don't have to trade a lot of ideas. You can scalp a bunch of trades off of one idea, but let's look for the best ideas. What has the best catalyst, best volume, and wait for your setup. And when you see it, don't hesitate, just attack. Okay. All right. Hope y'all have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Please smash the like button on the way out.